Hello students, Vande Matram. Today we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech. As you know, I have told you about direct and indirect speech and introduction of that. Okay, it is two ways of saying what someone said in the past. So there is three main changes: change the pronoun, back shift of the tenses, change the time and expressions. You can see in this example. You can see in this example, Ben said, and you know very well, in direct speech, when we write someone's dialogue, that dialogues we put in quotation mark. But when we change into indirect speech, that quotation marks change into that. Okay, you can see now there is also changes of pronoun. Ben said, I have a dental appointment this evening. And indirect speech, when we change into indirect speech, Ben said that he had a dental appointment that evening. So time and expression this evening changes into that evening. And you can also see the pronoun of I changes here in he, because I is using Ben for himself. So here we change this pronoun he, because here we report that words were said by Ben. So we report this sentence, this his dialogue to another. So when we told and report to another person, we can't say exact words, but we use only words that gives the message and gives the dialogues of meaning to the other person. Okay, so in the pronoun we use he, and we change here has have into had. We change here tenses also. I have a dental appointment. This is present perfect tense, and present perfect change here into past perfect. Okay, now we are going on next example. In this backshifted of tenses, you can see which tense changes into and how the verb changes into indirect speech. So this is called backshift of tenses, because here we talk in passive voice in past, so it is called backshift of tenses. You can see simple present tense changes into simple past. We use verb 1 or s or es in simple present tense, but in simple past tense we change it into verb 2 in the second form of verb. Okay, you can see the example. He said, Mr. Shah is a teacher. And when we change it into indirect speech, here we remove first quotation marks and add that. Mr. Shah is a third person. So we can't here use pronoun. Okay, we put the third person's name same as here. And now Mr. Shah is a teacher. Is a teacher. This is the sentence of simple present tense, and we are going to change it into past tense. Is changes into was. Now second, my brother said Dinesh Bhai teaches well. Now we change it into indirect speech. My brother said that Dinesh Bhai taught well. That means you can see here quotation marks are removed and we change here Dinesh Bhai teaches, and here we use Dinesh Bhai taught well. So tenses are changed and there is not given any time expressions, So there is no need of to change time expressions because there is not given the time expression. Next, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense into past continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we are using helping verb is are and fourth form of verb. But when we change it to past continuous tense, we use their was were plus ing form of verb. You can see the example. He said Dinesh Bhai is teaching Gujarati. Now we are going to change it. He said that Dinesh Bhai was teaching Gujarati. So is teaching changes into was teaching. Now next, present perfect. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Have has plus third form of verb, but when we change it into past perfect, there we use had plus V3. Now simple past. Now we have talked about present tenses. Now we are going on simple past. Simple past changes into past perfect. Verb second form changes into had plus V3. You can see the example. He said Bhairavi bought a violin. Now we change it into indirect speech. He said and remove the quotation mark and add that. He said that Bhairavi bought is the second form of by. It changed here in had plus V3. V3 bought changes into had bought a violin. Now past continuous tense. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous tense. In past continuous tense, we use helping verb was were and fourth form of verb. But when we change into past perfect continuous tense, there we use had been plus V4. You can see the example. The teacher said Dinesh Bhai was teaching Sanskrit once. Now we change it into indirect speech. The teacher said that Dinesh Bhai was teaching changes into here had been teaching Sanskrit once. Now past perfect has no change. That means it can't be changed. I said Manu Bhai had taught Gujarati. When we change it into indirect speech, I said that we remove quotation mark and put the exact word here. But if there is need of changes of pronoun, we have to change there. Okay, now shall and will changes into would. We can't change shall into should because when we talk in the indirect speech about shall, it changes into would, can't be changed into should because should is explained about the necessary. Okay, now can changes into could, may changes into might. Now we can see the example. He said Mohan will play cricket. Now we change it into indirect speech. He said that Mohan would play cricket. You can see here will play here changes into would play. So students, here is the list of change the time and expression. Which type of time and expression changes into which? This changes into that, these, those, here, there, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. Yesterday, the previous day, the day before, next week, the following week, last week, the previous week, tonight, that night, a month ago, a month before. Now, then, ago, before, thus, so, come, go, bring, and take.